Have you ever wondered how many piano chords there are in the world? Hi, I'm April from Piano Lessons Info, here to answer this frequently asked question. So some people want to know, how many chords are there? Well, really, the answer is an infinite amount. So because of how many different variations you can make on every chord, how many little notes you could put in, how many different types of the same chord you could create, it's infinite. But there are a specific number of chords you could consider learning. So I generally teach 13 different chord families. So these major, minor 7, major 7, things like that. So you can make each chord from each chord family on each note of the piano. So if we have a C, we could play a C major, we could play C minor, we could play C minor 7, C major 7, C suspended, C2, C major 7, C6. Okay, so there's lots. So I didn't go through every chord family, but those are most of the main ones I really focus on. Those are the main ones that you see around. So we've got all of that for the key of C. So every key can have its own set. So G, if we start on G, we can go G minor, G suspended, G2, G7, G minor 7, G major 7. Okay, there's lots and lots. So that's, I don't know if that really answers your question very well, except to say there's no real specific number. If you are trying to learn chords, learn all your major chords, learn all your minor chords, and learn your 7th chords, minor 7th chords, and move on from there. Okay, so I will see you next time. Bye!